Okay. Potato, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let's choose
Yeah.
words and write about the monster. So I have here a short paragraph about the monster. Now this time, we are going to choose the word that fits to the monster that we saw a while ago. Okay? All right. Now here, please read Potato. Say hello. Go. Read.
What?
Please
Hello,
read. Say hello.
Mom. Happy and very beautiful, very scary, and very funny. It's good, and it and it is colorful.
Okay, Potato, let's try to choose an answer to this, okay? So what we are going to do is we are going to underline or choose the correct answer. So the name of the monster a while ago is Bounce, okay? Say hello to Bounce. It's
Yeah,
is it a very big monster or a small monster? What can you say?
Mom.
Small? It's only a small monster? Are you sure?
No, baby.
Okay. Bounce is a big monster. Is it a happy monster or a sad monster? What do you think? Oh, you're there. Sad. Okay. And is he very beautiful or ugly? Very beautiful or ugly? The monster is very, what do you think? Very beautiful or very ugly? Monster is very, again?
Ugly.
Oh, monster is very ugly. Okay. Wait me. Okay, very ugly. Now here, is he scary or silly? Scary or silly?
Scary.
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 Okay, and really funny. It drinks blood. What do you think does this monster drink? The monster drinks what? It drinks what?
I don't know.
Oh, what do you think does the monster drink? Any answer? What do you think is drinking? It drinks blank.
Yeah.
Huh? Is it water, milk, soda, juice? What do you think does it drink?
Milk.
Milk. Wow, the monster is drinking a milk. Okay. Next. And black is favorite food. Potato. What do you think does this
Yeah.
monster likes to eat? What do you think is the favorite food of the monster? What's the favorite food of
Salad.
again? Potato, can you write the favorite food of the monster?
No.
Oh, what is it again? What's your answer?
Salad.
Huh? What's that food? I don't know that food. Oh, how about in the chat? Here.
Salad.
What? Salad? Is it salad?
Yes.
Okay, salad. Wow. The monster is eating a healthy food, milk and salad. Okay, Potato, read again the paragraph about monster together with your chosen answer. Go, please read. Say hello to Bounce. Go, please read. It's very,
Say hello to Bell.
next.
It's very big. in his favorite fruit.
Okay, very good, Potato. So you think that Bounce is a very big, sad, very ugly, and really funny monster. It drinks milk and eats salad. Okay, okay, Potato. That's good. Okay. Now here, Potato, let's do pronunciation. Come on, please read. Bounce is very big. Again, Potato, please read. Bounce is very big. Bounce is very beautiful.
It's very big. Very, very beautiful.
Okay, now we have here the B and the V sound. So when you say B, you put our top and bottom lips together like this. Put the two lips, the upper and the lower lip together like this. B, B, B. Again. Can you say it? B, B.
B.
Very good. Now if we say V, V, you put our teeth against the side, the inside and our bottom lip. So again. There. Yeah. So that's the difference between the B and the V. Right? Now here. Okay. Please read Potato. How do you read the first word?
Table.
Yeah. Table. Oh, this one. How about this? How do you read this? Do you read this as? Favorite.
Favorite.
Yeah, table, favorite. Okay, next. How about this one? What's this? What's this?
It's TV.
TV. Okay, very good. TV. Next. What's this? What's this?
Bag.
Bag. Okay,
Bag.
bag. This one. What's that? Number.
Number.
Okay, number. And this one, what's this? What's that?
Live.
Oh, it's live. Again, please read. At Jessa. Okay. Again. La.
Just.
Okay, next, Potato.
Yes.
All right. This one. How about this one? How do you read it?
Brown.
Brown. What is it? Brown. What? What's this?
Love.
Love. Correct. Love. Next.
Rubber.
Rubber. Very good. It's a rubber. And this one? What is this?
Red.
Wave. Okay. How do you wave? How do you wave? You wave. You wave. Okay.
Yeah.
And this one, what's this potato? That
Body.
body. Where's your body? You know what's a body?
Yes.
Okay. Great bird. Okay. Now here, let's do reading and writing. Okay. Now look at here, potato. Let's try to look at the picture and tell me what number of the monster is it? Okay, so I have there 5 monsters. For example, number 1. Please read number 1. Number 1.
Got a flower in my hair.
Okay, what number is that? Monster number
4.
4. Very good. Number 2. Read number 2.
I am holding my baby.
Okay, I am holding my baby. Which monster is that? Monster number
2.
Oh, is it 2?
3.
All right, very good. It's 3. Next, Number 3. I love reading funny stories. Which one? Where is it? Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, number 5. Next. Next. I've got my robot in my hand.
2.
2. Correct. And next, number 5. I really like my new glasses. Which one? What monster is that?
1.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Go back, go back. I have here a baby. Oh, say hi. Huh? It looks like Putin. Putin is your brother, right?
Yes, this is a baby brother.
And that's a baby brother too.
His name is
Okay. Very
His name
good.
is Aiden.
Very good, Potato, because you were able to give the correct answer for these numbers. Okay. All right, so Potato, that would be all for today. Okay. So I'll see you again next time, Potato. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sister.
Bye, say goodbye. Okay, goodbye.